everyone, and welcome to our home. I'm so excited to show you our Christmas home tour 2020. I am going to be honest with you guys, full disclosure, this is not going to be one of those perfect YouTube home tours that you see where everything's like super nice and neat and all matchy-matchy. Our house is full of Christmas magic. I've got two little ones, so we have a lot of traditions that we've carried on, and it's kind of like a hodgepodge of everything. So some of the stuff I've had from when I was little, some of the stuff was given to me from my mom or other family members. If I had my way, I would have like a front room that nobody went in, where I would have like a beautiful Christmas tree that was like not an ornament out of place. Well, that's not the case here. So yeah, 2 kids, 2 cats. Tater Tot is in our tree almost daily. He likes to, you know what, I'll try to insert a picture for you guys if I can find one. He likes to climb through the center and just kind of chill, like in the middle of the tree and lay there. So I think he's mad I moved his kitty tower. So he's like, you know what, I'll show her and I'll just sit in the tree. So we have a fake tree and it has tons of holes in it and gaps, which you'll see later. So we're keeping it real here. It's not gonna be the fanciest thing you ever see, but we love it. I do love lights. I love to decorate with candles. You guys can see I've got a few candles going back here. I love the Christmas lights. I love the candles. I have a lot of different scents going on in here, and I'll kind of share with you guys some of my favorite scents that I use, like that just put me in that Christmas mood. Before we get into this video, I do want to thank Ana Luisa. We partnered together again on this video. I just love their jewelry. I just got these earrings from them. I just love their stuff so much, and they're having huge sales right now. So this next one is like their holiday Christmas sale. So that's gonna be, I'll have all the info down in the description box below. But if you guys haven't seen my other videos, I've done 2 other ones where I talk about their jewelry. It is the cutest stuff ever. I literally don't take their stuff off. So this necklace I got last month from them, and I haven't really taken it off since I got it. If you guys didn't see my last video, this one reminds me of my grandma. She has a ring that looks just like this, so I had to have that one. And then this one here says Mama. I'll show you guys, I'll do close-ups too, but I love their jewelry. And these earrings, these are the new ones that I just got. They're so little and so dainty, and I don't normally wear earrings, just kind of for special occasions, but I've been wearing these and I forget that I have them in. They're so cute. So if you guys aren't familiar with Ana Luisa, they're a company based out of New York. Jewelry starts at $39. It's really cool because they use their jewelry is made from recycled items. So like recycled gold and whatnot. And that's how the prices can stay so low. And I will say the pieces are definitely long lasting. Like this necklace I have on, and then my birthstone necklace, I literally would wear those every single day in the shower, everything, in the pool. And they were just in great shape. Nothing ever happened to them. So yeah, they're great quality. Our holiday sale is starting December 2nd, which is today, and it goes till December 26th. It's the biggest sale of the year that they're gonna be having, so you definitely don't wanna miss it. And I love how you can layer their jewelry. So they have a ton of layered options on their website, but I just have these like separate ones, and you can layer these, and I just think they're so cute. And they're so dainty that even if you are layering them, they're not gonna look gaudy or anything. I don't know, I just think they look so cute. And yeah, they also have rings. I don't have any rings from them yet, but these were the first earrings I got, and I just love them. Check out the description box below. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But I hope you're not getting tired of these videos, but I just love their jewelry, and they're a really nice company to work with, so highly recommend. All right, let's get into this tour, shall we? So our front porch, the little lantern I made, this was in a video that I recently did, and I put those little candles in there. Those candles are from Amazon, and they are so cool because they like flicker. Yeah, they're so cool. And then I made these little pillows. These were made out of a drop cloth that I painted. I have a video for that too. And then I made these 2 little signs, the Be Merry and the Believe. I think those turned out super cute. And then this sign we got at Kirkland's last year. It was on sale for like $7, and I couldn't even believe they had an L for our last name. And then the little rugs I got from Hobby Lobby. It's like this rug, and then there's like a little, oh my gosh, look how dirty it is. Whoa. But yeah, those are from Hobby Lobby as well. And then I made these little presents, and there are lights in there. It's kind of hard to see right now because it's kind of light out, but I really like how our porch looks this year. Usually I let my husband do all the outdoor work, but I wanted to do the porch this year. Right, so over here on our door, I have this cute little, oh my gosh, I gotta watch how many times I say cute. This wreath, I wanna say this is from Kohl's. I am missing a couple. I don't know what happened to them. I need to look in the bin that they were in. Cause yeah, I just noticed that when I hung it. And then I have this little Santa over here. He is probably from Kohl's too. A lot of my holiday stuff is from Kohl's. So this is a little Black Friday find that I got a couple years ago. I had these colors in my Christmas tree and everything a couple years ago, and my mom actually went out on Black Friday to get it. I think my little ones were really small at the time, and so she went and got it for me, but I just love that. There's a lantern in the other room that matches it. But yeah, that's from Kohl's as well. Little nativity scene, and then my little lantern, of course. So this little nativity scene, I wanna say that is from Walmart. And then this little wreath guy for the candle, that's from Pier 1. And these candles, they're called Tuscany candles. They sell these at my grocery store. It's a Fry's, so it's a Kroger grocery store. And I swear they are the same thing as Yankee. I highly recommend them. If you ever find them, they smell so good. And yeah, I swear they're the same thing as Yankee. And then these little Santas, I have a couple of those. My husband found those, but I just thought those were super cute. And then my little lantern, the lantern is actually from IKEA. And then the stuff inside, the little trees, I wanna say, and the camper are from Joann's. Everything in there except for the little church, that's all from Joann's. The little church is from Dollar Tree. But I just love it. And at night, it looks really cute because it's just kind of lit up, you know? So the hutch is kind of like a little hodgepodge, magical, you know? We got the colored Christmas lights in here. My girls love these. So a lot of this stuff is my DIYs. I like to kind of just put all of my projects in here and kind of keep them in one spot. So the buffalo plaid plates are from Michael's. I got them last Christmas. And then there's my little cups that I made. I love those little guys. And then my gingerbread house. I have videos for all of these DIYs. I'll put a link down in the description box if you guys missed them. And then I made those little ornaments, like the Ray Dunn inspired. And then the bowl I also made as well with these little coffee cups. Those are like Ray Dunn inspired as well. And then this little Hello Santa, it's so cute. So it's got a spot for the milk, and then you put the cookies right down here. I thought that was super cute. And I wanna say this is from Hobby Lobby. Oh no, World Market, just kidding. Which, by the way, World Market has got some really cute retro stuff right now. If you guys haven't been there in a while, you should go check it out. And then this little cookie jar, that was from my mom. I think that little guy is so cute. He's probably from Kohl's too. And then this little angel right here, my daughter, at her school, they do a Christmas store and they're able to buy gifts for the family. And that's what she bought me a couple years ago. And I just love that little angel. It's so cute. She did such a great job. And then down here, I made that little tree. I have a video for that as well. And then I've got this little candle, I wanna say is from Kohl's as well. And then those are two other little DIYs that I made. I have videos for those as well. Here, this is our Christmas tree. Oh yeah, the ornaments are not, like the garland used to look pretty. We can go ahead and blame Tater Tot for that. He likes to camp out right about here. So yeah, I'll insert a picture. Yeah, actually right here, that's where he likes to go. So we just kind of have a bunch of different ornaments. I tried to do like gold and pink. I don't have a ton of breakables up because of Tater Tot. I didn't want him to break anything, but we do have some really cute little ones that my mother-in-law likes to send with the girls' pictures. And where's the other one? Oh yeah, there's the other one. Those are just so cute, and I love how she makes them every year because you could just see how much they've grown. Oh, and of course I've got my little Starbucks. I've got 2 of those little Starbucks ornaments. I love those. Oh, and Peppa Pig. I mean, you can't have a Christmas tree without Peppa, right? All right, so over here, this is our mantle, and I have found these awesome channels on YouTube. If you go to like Christmas ambiance, there are such cute little scenes, and they've got music in the background, and I love just putting these on when I'm kind of doing stuff in the other room. They're just really cool. So I'll put some of those channels down in my description box too if you guys want to check them out. I'm not sure what this one's called, but I really like that Calmed by Nature. They have like tons of different scenes. So this little nativity, this is, well, I think I got that at Ross, I want to say. And it lights up, you can't really tell. Then this little angel, she's from Kohl's too. And then I've just got some garland. And then of course I made that banner a couple videos ago. And these stockings my mom made for the girls. I love these. She made me one growing up and I still have it. So I only hung the kids' stockings up this year. But I thought those were really cute. Oh yeah, I made that Let It Snow sign. I think I made that one last year. And then the little tree next to it, that's from Burlington, I want to say. And then there's another Santa. And then down here, I just have a little, that's actually from IKEA. I ended up spray painting the little holder because it was a weird rusty color, and I just thought I would do black. And then I've got that farmhouse Christmas sign that I made. And then this little thing, oh my gosh. My daughter and I were at Hobby Lobby and I could not resist. It was on sale for like $7, and so we had to have that. And then this is my Scentsy. I'm gonna show you guys when we get into the kitchen the scent that I use during Christmas time. It is magical. It's called Silver Bells, I think. But it smells so good. Here, that's the lantern I was talking about that goes with the other little candle centerpiece over there. And that's from Kohl's. And then there's my daughter's picture from a few years ago. We finally went and saw Santa today, and my youngest didn't cry, so that was very, very exciting. Fantasy football trophy, yeah, not my choice. Over here, we have our little Elfie door. That's how he comes in and out of our house from the North Pole. And then this little tree, I love this. This belonged to my grandpa, and my mom gave it to me last year, and I just love it. I love how they're making them again. You can totally buy these at Hobby Lobby, but this one is pretty darn old. She's had it for a really long time, and then I think she made these little presents to put under it. So cute. Oh, yep. See, cats and kids, nothing stays up anymore. So this little village, I actually did a video on how I made this. It was one of those ones, I think it was from Big Lots, and I spray painted it white and added some glitter. And my youngest daughter, she thinks it's super boring, but I kind of really like it. So that was really fun and easy to do. To the dining room, it's so weird. I feel like such a grown-up that I have a table set and we're not eating at it. It's just for decoration. So I had wanted to have this done by the time I did this video, but it didn't happen. We are redoing our dining room table. We're getting all new chairs. My husband's gonna make a bench, and we're gonna paint it and do a different top. So this will hopefully be the last year that you guys see the table looking like this. But I just have a little runner. This is from Hobby Lobby. And then everything else, these are all from Dollar Tree. And then I just did a little bow around there's no silverware in here, it's just for show. And then my little centerpiece, I just recently made this in one of my last videos, and I just love how that looks. Here has a lot of my DIYs too, so if you guys missed this video, I made this little wreath out of Dollar Tree dusters. And then the candles. Oh, and there's Alfie. He just showed up yesterday, and he's in quarantine right now, so don't mind him. And then behind him, if you guys can see, because I can't touch him, I made that little All Is Calm village last year out of poster board. So that was such a fun video. I loved making that, and I think it turned out so cute. And then this little candle, this is from Bath & Body Works, and it smells really, really good. And then this little joy sign, I made this last year as well. I just painted the frame though, because it was just like a brown color. But all it is wrapping paper, and then those little letter, like galvanized metal words from Dollar Tree. And then these are my two little trees that I just made this year. I think they're so cute. And then this one I made as well. It's just one of those Dollar Tree bags, and I just kind of put it in this little shadow box and added some trees. And very simple, and I think it's really cute. One of my most favorite recent DIYs, I made this using Dollar Tree plastic plates, and I just love how that one looks. All right, next we'll go over here to the coffee bar. Pretty simple over here, my 3-tier tray. A lot of this stuff is from Dollar Tree or Hobby Lobby. These little presents and the truck are from Hobby Lobby. This is from Pier 1, and then these two are from Dollar Tree, and I think the ornaments are from there too. I think that looks cute. And then I just did a little garland, and then that little have a cup of cheer, that's from Dollar Tree too. Oh my gosh, and this, I'm not able to use it right now because I'm filming with my phone, but it is a little Bluetooth speaker from Amazon, and I think it is so cute. I turn on my Christmas music on there and it just plays so quietly, and I just love that little thing. And then here's one of my little, another Scentsy. So this is the scent that I use in there, and I am obsessed. So yeah, it's called Silver Bells, and it smells so good. It's kind of like vanilla, it's kind of minty. It's got so many different scents, but oh my gosh, it literally smells like Christmas. So I just bought a new one of these, and I'm so glad because it's really not Christmas over here without this. And then this is my little, this is where I keep my K-cups right now because I was keeping them in my 3-tier tray. But since I decorated it, I figured I better put them in here. It doesn't hold that many, but I just thought that was really cute. And it matches my little coffee cup from Dollar Tree, so. And then these little towels, these are from Dollar Tree as well. I just love that they have this buffalo plaid style. I think these are so cute. Here I added some bows to our cabinets. The girls love those. They just think they look like presents. And this sign I made, this one was a couple years ago. I made that out of a Dollar Tree bag and then just little lights, and I just love that one. And then this little snowman, that's from Kohl's as well. You can't really see the tea light, but there is a tea light in there. And then these little towels, these are probably from Kohl's as well. I want to say my mom got me those, so those are really cute too. And then back here, I just have some garland. And then, oh yeah, so this little, where is this thing from? I don't know where that's from. I want to say it's from like a 99-cent store or something. And then I got these cute little soaps from Bath & Body, crushed candy cane, and then this cute little holder. They were having a sale on the soaps, and I just felt like being fancy, so I got them. And then this little wreath, if you guys don't mind my dirty windows, I made that a few years back too. And then just I've got another candle from that Tuscany, and then my little bowl. And then this is our little tree that we put up in the kitchen. I kind of like to call it the Charlie Brown tree because it's kind of like, I don't know, it doesn't look as bad on camera, but in person it's a little sad. But anyways, I just love the buffalo plaid skirt. I don't remember where I got this. Maybe like the 99-cent store or something. I can't remember, but yeah, I just think that was really cute. And then I put these little lights up here. Just the girls love the colored lights, so I just like to put those up in here. All right, you guys, that does it for my Christmas tour 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know if you guys like videos like this, but I just thought it'd be fun to kind of go around and show you guys everything. So don't forget to check out Ana Luisa in the description box. They have some super cute stuff, and you could totally give this stuff as gifts this year, especially if they're having a sale. So I hope you guys have a great week, and we will see you all soon. Bye.